want the Pluto one. That's on eBay. There's a and it's $60 plus shipping and handling. But that's how expensive. That's how rare it is.
That's outrageous, isn't it?
No, that's how rare it is.
So who was writing on your arm today?
Mine? I did. It's a reminder that I need a water bottle for school.
Oh.
That's why it says water.
For tomorrow, huh?
For every day.
Oh, for every day. You're not going to wash off your note, huh?
Not now. Minnie's dead. Her battery's almost. The noise. The beeping's going low.
Huh?
What?
Oh, which one?
Minnie.
Oh, Minnie.
They make Hello Kitty ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And a Pikachu
Really?
from Pokemon. They had it on eBay for $1, but someone won it.